Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Eliwell controller and entering its menu. First, make sure the controller has the correct supply voltage and a good earth connection. Once safe, apply mains. Then press and hold menu to open the configuration mode. You need the model code from the label because parameter sets differ. Keep it visible. Once in the menu, navigate with the arrow keys to the input type section and select your sensor type. This step ensures readings will be interpreted correctly by the controller. Now you configure the controller's inputs and outputs. Choose the correct sensor family, NTC, PT100, or thermocouple, and set the unit to degrees C or degrees F so temperatures display correctly. Next, assign relay outputs. Choose which relay controls cooling, heating, defrost, or alarm, and select their working modes. Then set your primary set point and differential hysteresis, and enter any required delay timers to prevent rapid cycling. Finally, perform a probe calibration. Finish by testing and saving the setup. You should manually energize each output and then change the set point to make the controller drive cooling or heating. Observe that relays switch and the system responds. Once satisfied, save the configuration and enable menu lock to prevent accidental changes. Attach a label with set point and date. If something goes wrong, check the probe wiring and connector pins first, inspect fuses and supply voltage, and consult the controller's error codes to pinpoint sensor or relay faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.